This will be Nave Word 3. Now, we were talking before about the index in the back that actually has the topical index where you can find the strong numbers, the small one being the Old Testament Hebrew, and the large, bright number being the New Testament Greek and Aramaic and so forth. Now, as I said before, I was using the other Bible, which is called the Restoration Study Bible. Good thing about that is, in addition to what we're talking about, it gives all the original Hebrew and Greek names for all of the deity names in the Bible, which is good. But also in the back, it does have the Nave's numbers that I can use, so I don't have to go hunt for them in the Nave's Concordance, for example. So let's take in this book we were using, which is, of course, this one here, and let's go to one word, for instance, one that I was using to give us an example. Now, we've got the word Abraham on top, but let's go to Abram, A-B-R-A-M. Now, that's not Abraham. That's a shorter name. Now, in this case, it says to go to 87. Not a dark number, but a small number. Therefore, what that means is, when we go to this Bible I'm using, which is this one here, we go to number 87. Now, you will see in 87, and I will bring it to you so you can see it. It's going to be right in the center. It's very small, but I'll give you an idea of what it looks like right there. Now, that definition sometimes will refer to another more primitive definition where that comes from. For example, if I go to 87, which is A-B-R-A-M, it will say, Abram contracted from A-B-I-Y-R-A-M, which is number 48, meaning High Father. Abram, the special name of Abraham. That is a special name to Abraham. Okay? Now it says go to 48. Now where will we go to 48? Because that's the more primitive root for that. Let's go to 48 and see what we get. 48. A-B-I-R-A-M, from A-B, the father of high or lofty. Abram, the name of two Israelites. A-B-I-R-A-M. So you see that root takes us back to the fact that there are more than one name for Abraham, and it's used in the Bible as a short name here and there. So that's why the back of this one here, in what's called index, where there's Hebrew here, and then there's Greek, Aramaic in the back of this, is very helpful. Plus, when you're reading it itself, wherever you are, it will also always have, next to almost every word, the same numbers that you use in the back to find out the root meaning. So that's why when I am using this in the very back here, as I told you before, where it says translation index, that's why I will use the other one that I just showed you, the Restoration Bible, to get the strong meaning from this. Therefore, I use these together when I am doing a study in the back of it. So this Nave's Complete Word Study Topical Bible, along with the Restoration Study Bible, will give you not only very long sections of any topic alphabetically and with subtopics, of course, but also the root meaning of the words you're looking for. So not only does it give you the scripture that you can read, of course, you can take out any other Bible you have and read it exactly in that Bible, in that particular verse or verses, and then you will understand it. But in addition, you will understand the root meaning of some words that you're not sure of how they are to be interpreted or what they mean. So this will be the end of Nave Word 3. I hope this has been somewhat helpful, and enjoy and have a wonderful day.